I am red. I am white. I am a blueberry. Let's make cobbler.
To make our red, white, and blueberry cobbler, we need to start with the cobbler. Preheat the oven for 375. Grease a 9x9 baking dish, and then pour in 4 cups of frozen blueberries. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons flour. Then we stir those together thoroughly. A whisk works really well for that. And then we're going to pour that mixture over the blueberries and work that into the blueberries. I like using my hands. It seems to work pretty well. In a separate bowl, let's mix together 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a sprinkle of salt, and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Now we stir that together thoroughly, and I'm using a whisk again. It works very well to combine those thoroughly. In a separate container, I'm using a measuring cup. We're going to measure 2/3 cup milk, then about 3 tablespoons of oil or melted butter, and 1 egg. Scramble up that egg and add it to the rest of the liquid. Stir those together thoroughly. And then we're going to pour that into the dry ingredient and stir until just combined. We're going to drop spoonfuls of the batter to the top of the berries. This will form the cobbler. Bake at 375 for about 35 to 45 minutes until the topping is lightly golden. It's been 45 minutes and it's bubbly and has little browns around the edges. Now we're going to put it on a cooling rack and let it set out for about 2 hours, and then put it in the refrigerator to cool completely. This cobbler needs to be served cold if we're going to serve it with the red and the white, which is strawberries and whipped cream. Next, let's get the red ready. First, wash the berries. We're going to slice our berries. And what I do is take the end off like that. Then it will sit still as I slice through it to make some nice thin slices of strawberries. Now you can serve this off to the side. Just to let everybody know this goes with the cobbler. Put the berries in the refrigerator, and now everything's waiting until the time you want to serve your red, white, and blueberry cobbler. You can eat this any time of year, but it's especially good for 4th of July. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching.